Hello everyone, we are going to do a project to where we put the ball to use. If you watched the holiday supply video, we found this at Goodwill and it was, I don't know if you can really see that too well, but it's 99 cents. And I bought it just because it was all black and I was thinking, you know, eventually I could make something for Halloween with it. And for $1, I'll take that gamble. So what we're now doing is we're going to have a holiday party at our office. So I'm going to make this a centerpiece for the party. And I'm going to attach the little blingy spiders. If you saw videos from last year, those were on there. These were actually a 99-cent store. It's a pack of rings. And so that's why I have several of them here. And what I did is I cut off the ring part. I just got scissors as close as I could. So there's only a tiny little impression there. So my plan is in the middle of these flowers just kind of sporadically to attach the different little bugs or spiders with the hot glue. And then I'm going to put a larger spider centerpiece like so. So I'll attach to that, but I don't want it to be just black on black. It doesn't stand out enough. So I have Deco Art paint. These are between $2 and $3 at Michael's. That's full price, so if you have a 40% off coupon, that'll help you out. Got a little paintbrush that I got from, I think this is in my little Walmart pack. And I'm going to just take that silver and just lightly brush over the top of the spider so that he stands out a little bit more. So I'm going to start by taking my spiders. I'm going to glue them on the center. I'm going to just push them into the different petals on these flowers. There's my first one. So I'm going to continue that process all the way around and hide the little spiders in there. Add my large spider and I will return. For my large spider, I'm going to use just a little bit of silver. I'm not going to paint the whole thing, I'm just going to add little highlights. I added the silver paint and left a little black on there on the larger spider. And then I wanted to show you guys so far. So when I started placing the spiders, I actually realized they're a little bit too dark too. You just saw the little gemstone on them. So I have done the same with them. I've taken some silver paint and just lightly brushed on the top of them. So what I have so far, and I'm going to continue the process all the way around, keeping you updated, and I will be back again once everything is complete. Welcome back. I have attached my large spider and all of my smaller spiders. So that's going to be centerpiece that's just going to hang up front. Give you guys a closer look as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. I will see you on the next one.